What's up, guys? Today we're gonna attempt to install the LEDs to my dash on my Subaru. See where it goes along the way. So enjoy the video, guys. It's gonna look good. It's gonna be a process. It's gonna take my time, and maybe it'll fit in an hour, hopefully. And hoping that this comes a long way from the before and after along the way. So yeah, we'll keep on rolling. And eventually, I'm gonna start wrapping my AC vents as it goes across my dash. But eventually, gotta take some stuff apart on the inside, behind the main AC vent below my radio. So that's gonna take some time. So I'm gonna go right on to it. All right now, guys, we're gonna attempt to install these LEDs across the dash here. If you see, right across here. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Right down here. Right across from there. So you're gonna run this along the dash. Enjoying the process, you know. One day at a time. Let's finally finish up installing it right across my dash with my LEDs. You don't see it, but I'll show you at the end when it gets dark at night. So yeah, it looks pretty good so far. All the way down here. I'll do something here too. Sure. That should be good. So yeah, there you go. There you go, guys. Finally finished up installing my LEDs for my dash. There you go. Looks pretty good, yeah. It's like blue LEDs, you know. I had to like follow up around the corners and snake up behind the other trim, let it go down and follow my way through. Go on the bottom here, and this disappears on the inside there and the inside there. So yeah, there you go. Alright, guys, finally finished up my LED lights. I say it took about 30-35 minutes to install. Didn't take too long. Really enjoyed the process and it came out pretty good. There you go.